Just weeks after the devastating earthquake that rocked Colombia, the country's Matecaña International Airport has partially resumed flight operations, but some areas are still restricted. Jane Cudnita has the details.
Aircraft taxiing across the tarmac marked the limited reopening of Matecaña International Airport in Pereira. It has been 16 days since a magnitude 7.4 earthquake struck western Colombia, with upper floor roofing severely damaged and structural scaffolding lining the main facade. Airport officials confirmed that operations are currently restricted to the ground level and just 2 boarding gates. Authorities plan to scale flight frequency gradually. They will move from 10 initial flights to up to 18 daily departures as terminal repairs continue.
El día de hoy, 26 de agosto del año 2026, tenemos programados entre entradas y salidas 10 vuelos. Gradualmente se irán realizando las aperturas y aumento de estos vuelos, ya que por las reparaciones y las refacciones que tenemos dentro de la terminal aérea, en este momento debemos arrancar paulatinamente.
Arriving passengers, including overseas relatives returning to check on loved ones, described chaotic reunions and widespread destruction across local neighborhoods. Official emergency figures confirm over 330 deaths nationwide. Thousands are injured and tens of thousands of homes are destroyed. This makes the quake one of Colombia's worst natural disasters in modern history.
Vamos para mi casa, que una parte se cayó, un ranchito que tenía ahí se cayó. Muy angustioso. Al principio no había comunicación. Y luego pude saber que sí que estaban bien, pues que a lo menos están vivos y con salud.
Civil aviation authorities and municipal teams continue to work to restore full terminal capacity, baggage systems, and regional air connectivity across Colombia's coffee axis. This has been Jane Cudnita, Global Citizen Correspondent reporting for Newsline World.